Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. I come off of the house at 5:15 this morning. Phil and masel are fishing Banff links, a caravan site here just next to the beach. But I'm not sure, I think the beach is actually called Boyndie Beach. But I'm sure somebody will let me know in the comments. It's running about 6:30 now. It's low water. It's still dark kind, so we've both just shot one road just now. There's a bonny sunrise at the back of us. Hope you see that in the camera. So the sun's got to come up, and at the other side there's a moon. So look at that, shining on the beach here. Off a bonny. That's a tide coming up to my road already. The water must be on it turning. I've just stuck an this thing in just now, this handmade road holder. Now, if you've been watching my videos, I've been hiding a keyring. Forever I've been fishing, I hide a keyring for somebody to find. You'll have to watch till the end of the video, or if you want, just scroll to the end if it's boring. If the video is boring to you, just scroll to the end and you'll see where I've hidden the keyring. So good luck to the finder of the keyring. Now it's just a cheap reel, Atlantic 70 I think it is, 70 FD. Just a cheap reel and my carbon bass flatty rod for my first unit. You didn't need expensive gear to go fishing. I thought I seen a wee rattle on the road, but could be the waves. There's a fair bit of motion coming in just now. Right, I've left my camera tripod in a house, I think. I'm going back up to the car just now. The car's not far from the beach. It's just a stone's throw. So it's a fine bit of the fish here. If there's only fish to get, like. So I'm going to go up to check the car and see if the tripod's in the car. I'm hoping it is. If no, I'll just hit a abdee. Phil says he'll give me a shot of his tripod when he's not filming. Boys, look at that moon. The moon shining on the beach here. Beautiful that. See, that's all the dog walkers coming out already. That's 3 folk we've seen with dogs so far. And it's not even daylight. Oh well. Abdee's enjoying the beach. It's 4. We was up the top of the beach I know, and we heard this bail's gone. But we've come down and they've stopped it. So I don't know if there's a flat ice sitting on that. Or no, I'm going to taking the line a wee bit and see if it's still on. See, there's birds diving out here. It looks like terns. A couple of jukes fleeing by now. Now that's a good sign that birds diving here close to the shore. They must be getting feeding or something. Oh, it's a jumping again. Did you hear that bail there now? Alright, the bail's gone. Yeah, here we go now. Yes! Yes! Right, better one get us halt. There's a lot of terns out here, look at them. Come on, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Come on! Oh, there's something on. Hey! Yes! Yes! They've hit baits missing. 1, 2, 3. 3 baits missing. And this one's got a fish on. So there's fish here. Oh, look at that. A bonny wee flounder. A wee beauty. Right, we'll get him unhooked. Him or her. And get it back as quick as we can. Give him a kiss and get him back. Come on, Paul. There you go. Boys, he wasn't mucking about. Off like a shot. Great stuff. Beat it up and get it back out again. It's my second road out now, and the second road I've put the fishing camera on till. I've put plenty bait on it, because that'll be lying out there for a while. I'm just going to leave it in as long as I can to see if I can see anything, because it's still pretty shallow yet. So the first tour of the camera, it probably won't see much for the turbulence of the waves coming in. But once there's a bit of depth of water, it'll start seeing a bit clearer. And the camera records for about 3.5 hours, so it's alright leaving it for a while. Right, I'm going to shift this in a bit, because the water's up that now, and then I'll set up my other road. Now what's out in shit? I won't get to erin in. I see fel all in over here. Mind check out Fel's channel up here. See what he gets. I hear his bells ringing. That's a 3 roads out now. And as you can see at the back of me, the sun's came up. Great stuff, it's just beautiful. And the moon's a one who still berecht for the moon, for seeing the moon. And that road down to water's edge. I moved that up about 10 minutes ago. And the water's up that already. So I moved this two up with a tripod here. As you can see here. Because, in fact, I won't shift that in again because I'm wanting to have my tea or my hot chocolate in my piece. And you didn't get peace to hear your piece. When the tide's coming in and you've 3 roads out and trying to shift that thing about. Oh, so I heard a bell, but it's Phil shifting his roads. Right, one shift out the road up and here my hot chocolate. Right, I better one haul. I see him with the camera out. It's right at the end of the line, look. And I lost a heap of line off of this spool at Inverbervie. My first cast I do it. There's a big wave come in, slackened the line. And the steens at Inverbervie beach rumbled over the top of my line and cut the line. Now, this is the aim with the camera hunt. So I wanted this to bide out for another hour and a half anyway. so it was in deeper water, ken. But with the line being a bit shorter, I'm heading to haul it down just now. I'll just take a wee bit and stick it back out again. It's a long way out. Here near, isn't it? Yeah, I'll get my camera back and oh, there's a flood going. Hey! Hey! And that's the aim with the camera. So the camera has seen some action, you'd think. Right, I'll let put this road up the beach a bit. Yeah, there's a dog coming. I'll hit the hang on. Right, what I'll do is I'll take a hold of this other road, slacken the reel, and then pick up this tripod. And then further back up the beach. The tide's racing in. Right, we'll get this fish off. That's fine, you just hook it on a lip. Well, I'll turn round so the sun's in your face. You just hook it in the lip here, perfect. That was baited with mackerel and a wee bit of squid. Now look at that, come out near bother. Now look at the markings on him. Check that out. But look at that. Beautiful wee fishy. Half a bony wee fish. Right, we'll give him a cast and get him back quick. Well, hang on now. Right. Bloop it out the water. Come on. Away he goes. Great stuff. Now I'll rebait this and get it back out. Now because this thing's got a camera, I put bigger baits on and I better tipped them with a bit of squid so the baits would last longer, because I think the camera was going to be out there for longer. The bait's actually not touched, bar that one fish, but the cameras maybe pick something up. Anyway, I'll freshen it up, get it back out again. Right, I'm going to want to haul this in. And freshen up a bit. I haven't heard the bales rattling, so I'm not really expecting anything. Unless there's a small flounder sitting on the hooks. And sometimes you pick up a fish in the way, yeah, and if you just wind in a bit and then stop. Sometimes you move to a different bitty for us, maybe a fluke sitting, and he sees your bait passing. And they can also grab him on the move when you're winding in. If you wind in slow, I suppose it's just like trawling for flukes. It's a bit of a struggle here today. A lot of motion. Well, it doesn't feel like there's anything on. Well, there's nothing. It's one bait missing. So, at least there must have been a fish nibbling. Right, that's it rebaited. We mackerel, black log, squid, prawn, and that's it. Right, we'll try it. Just mixing it up a bit. I'm just walking back and keeping it tight, kind, so the gripper lead takes a hold. I'll put my wee bails on again. They just clip on. Really handy at bails. it's just on a handmade rod holder pushed into the sand. It doesn't work on every beach, I think. It has to be a really sandy beach. Some sandy beaches are rock underneath and it doesn't take a hood. Now, this road's over here. Phil and masel thought we heard the bell rattling. One of the bells. It could have been the waves, there's a lot of waves. But usually the waves, as you see here just now, didn't make the bells rattle. It's usually when it's a bite. Usually when it's a bite it makes the bells rattle. Right, I'm going to shift this tripod back a bit again. So what I do is slagging the clutches, wheel off. And just pick up the roads, and you can walk back with them, as you can see. And again further up the beach. And then set up your stand again. Hi, hi. Hello. Oi. Hello. Come on, see, man. Come on. No. Smell my doggy. Eh? You smell my doggy. What a bonny dog. Come on, man. That doggy, look. Good critter. Bonny dogs.
Sorry?
Bonny dogs.
Yeah,
You're a good nature, aren't you? What's this one's name?
Bridget.
Bridget. Oh, it's a fancy name. Bridget Bordeaux. Hello, Paul. I thought I was getting a bite on this one here. And if it is, that's a good thing, because this is the end with the camera. So if there's something at that line, even though I didn't catch it, the camera should see it. Aye, I think there's a bite. Aye. Now, as I say, that's aiming the camera, so I'm not really wanting to haul it in too quick. And if it's a fluke, it'll maybe attract another one. Definitely a fluke one, like. Definitely a bite. And if I haul the camera in too much, I want to get it out into deep water. I'm wanting to, the longer it lies, with the tide coming in, the water will be fine and deep to cover it. Right, I've got to haul this in because it's swung right into the shore. So obviously it's popped out. The gripper lead's popped out. So sometimes it can be a good thing. Shifting about, trying to find a fluke. There's nothing in this occasion anyway. And the bait's not touched, so I'm going to reset that gripper. I'm going to show her, reset that gripper and just cast it back out again. So the bait's not touched. As you can see, this is the fit I'm using. It's just short snoods, a wee pop-up and a couple of beads. Now I'm going to thicken this gripper a bit. Because it just popped out. And get it back out again. I better take off the bails before I cast out, because you cast out with the bails on and you lose them, they're just going fleeing, they're pinging off of the road. Right, get it back out again. Now look at that, that's it tied up the nice roads already, look. Right, and I just shifted that back maybe quarter an hour ago. It was hanging off of the sea. Right, what I'm going to do is, I've still plenty of line on here just now, so that's even the camera. I did think there was a couple of bites as I was saying earlier on, but I'm going to leave that because the camera will be in deeper kind of water now, hopefully, so it can manage to see without all the turbulence. And I'll shift everything back again, slacken the reels, slacken the clutches, get everything shifted back again. And I'm going to haul this in once I've got everything back. Set up a tripod again. I just hook a rod on so the line's free. One haul is in there. Now the rig it's on as in is a rig that Phil gave to me. Phil made for me. And I think it's size 4 hooks. There's 6 hooks. We pop up floaty things on them. And this was the only rig it catched. The last trip we was out on the Cullican Beach. Oh, it's just wheel out, look. Gosh, what a bonny day. It's actually getting warm now. I might need to take my jacket off actually. Oof. Waves are getting bigger, I think. I should have taken my surfboard with me. Oh, this seems wheel out. Come on, fishy, fishy. Hier got off my feet here now. Ligging back a bit, I did. Come on, fishy, fishy. Yeah, it's nothing. Oh my. Nothing at all. Right, and got a bit. See, the bait's not even touched. Bait's not touched. Can I so maybe just cast it out again? Bait's not touched. Go, mine take out bails off. I'm kind of keeping the tension so the gripper lead takes a hard, because the motion's been broken them out. Now you put the bales back over. That's what you want to hear. It's foul hauling air like. Might check with his channel, see what he's been getting. He's got a special fish actually, so it's worth checking out. Shift this back again. Tide's beating us. There's a hole there. A dog's dug a hole. I better watch it in a far doing. Now, who am I drinking chocolate? Now, there's no muckle sport that you get to sit on a bench and watch your fishing rod. I've finally got a bed that I can sit and watch my roads. The tide's pushed us right in now, so I'm managing to come up and have a seat on this bench. Oh, this is a life. My other road is further being a beach. I can see it for here. And the bales aren't an hour, so if anything bites, the bales will rattle. This is rare, Ash.
Do you want to use this tripod?
No, it's alright. I'm working a while, yeah. You in a seat from it? Where's your tea? Finish your tea. So you've done well today?
You know, I'm being lucky today. I'm being lucky.
Yeah, but
Both we're fishing in the same spot, same baits. I've just been lucky.
we're all lucky if we get a fish.
Yeah. But you know, it's just so nice to be out here, isn't it? Yeah.
This is just magic today. Even if you didn't get a fish, it's just lovely, okay?
Yeah.
And all the folk that's walked past, they've been all fine folk.
Yeah, they've all been chattering away.
Right.
And helicopter going over the top, that could well be some of our viewers, you know.
It
going
could
out to
be,
work.
it could be. Right,
Yes, we've had folks comment,
right.
talk about how far they've been. Got one viewer on my channel, and he was telling me that the helicopter route,
You've just one viewer on your channel.
the one that was talking to the helicopter comes up, follows the coast from Banff, so it's Aberdeen to Banff, follows the coast along,
Okay.
and then I think it goes over, I think he said that they go all the way up to Cape Ness,
And then
and
out.
he's somewhere the other side of
Ah.
Orkney, to the west.
I just thought they just hailed straight out.
I did, but they do rigs farther over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a taxi, you see. Taxi service.
Oh, nice view out the window on a day
Ah.
like this, but I bet they get some rotten weather. I bet there's
Oh,
some
ah.
hanging onto the sea, eh?
I don't know if you it like.
Every now and again there's a bit of a rattle on the bells. I think
Ah.
it might be as the line snaps back after
Oh.
waves come through. Yeah.
Right. Oh man, that waves is getting bigger, look at that. Bloody hell. Watch it and I get caught off my feet. Oof. Ah, fine day for surfing. Hey! Oh, look at this! Yeah, beauty! Great stuff! Oh, he's just hooked in the lip and all. Just the way I like it. Fine, he's eating off. Right. Stick it in there. Look at that. Now, just another small fluky, but he's just hooked in the lip and he's absolutely beautiful. Oh no, just you behave yourself. Usually loud boot in my hand. I can never hold on to him. Oh. Look at this. Right, the gimmick is getting back quick. Watch your sail here. Oh, it's all muddy, look. Right, here you go, Paul. There you go. Yes!
So I'm going to say turbot on this one, grill on that one, and then you'll trump me.
Oh no. I haven't trumped you yet. I've got 3 flounders now. But you...
What's a turbot, Cam?
Well, you need a heap
2.
of flounders for that, you see. So I haven't trumped you yet. Yet. Right. See if there's something on it. Oh, that's... Look at that. It's calm up here. It's calm down here. And all the waves are coming in here. So we're back at the right spot. Right, that's our pop dude. Coming in off easy. Unless it's a boss swimming in. A slack line. Oh, nothing. Oh my. Oh well, gonna get a fish every time. Right, this is the rig with the camera, the waterproof camera. No, that's it, pop dude. It did jump about, it did ring the bells a couple of times earlier on, but it doesn't feel like there's anything on. So you just in a camera away to the camera now, Hank, you drag the camera. It gives you a false sense of if there's something on or no. Come on, fishy, fishy. Hey, a turbot! Yeah, beauty!
Well done, that man! Oh, yes!
Yeah! Yes! Great stuff. Oh, I'm chuffed with it. Really chuffed. Right. Oh, I'm over here. Oh, you beauty. No. Just a wee handful, but he's a turbid. And I'm really triggered with it. What a beautiful fish. Oh, kiss you and get your back quick. Right. I'll get you back. Come on, Paul. There you go. Yeah! I'm just about got off my feet. Yes! Great stuff. Oh man, that just made my day. Fair triggered with it. Magic. Thanks, Phil. Find the keyring. Now, I made a video hiding the keyring on this beach, but for some reason it didn't record. So I've hinted a backup plan. I've drawn a wee map for the keyrings hidden. I suppose you could call it a treasure map. Now, on this beach, just opposite the car park, there's a wee slip going down onto the beach. I've drawn the wee slip on here. You'll have to excuse me because I'm not an artist. This is my interpretation of the slip. It's a slip here. There's a handrail on it. At the handrail side, there's a bit of concrete up at this end. Underneath the concrete, there's hollow kind of bits. That's where the keyring is hidden. And there's a couple of steins on the top of it. So the keyring's just under here. If whoever finds a keyring, put a comment underneath this video so they can somebody's gotten it. Or better still, if you take a photo of yourself holding up a keyring, I can add it to my next video. Just if you want that. If you don't want to do that, it's no problem, as long as you put a comment under this video. If you are sending a photo, send it to this email address, mryounglintrips@gmail.com. And good luck to the finder of the keyring. Mate, see if they mean.
Come on.
I can't get up. All the age.
Got little rocks.
No, I'm blaming this waders. I try and bend my knee and it seems to hold you tight.
No, I've heard everything now.
Right, that's it for another session. And what a lovely beach and a lovely day.
It's been good, hasn't it?
And a lovely friend.
Perfect again. Great company.
Oh,
I do
aye.
enjoy it. It's so relaxing. Just
It's-
chilled out here.
Been a lot of motion. I don't like too much motion. I think it spoils the fishing. But it's coming doing a bit new since we're stopping.
It's coming It's coming waves. But it has. It's sort of, it calms down a bit, and then you get these rollers coming in.
Aye, every now and again.
Yeah, kind of upsets things a bit.
Aye. But there's been a couple of fish, and I'm not
Fish.
going to see if it felt good now. Check out Phil's channel, Another Angle UK, because he's making his own video as usual, so check that out. Oh, and the keyring, I've already put up about the keyring just before us, so good luck to the finder of the keyring.
Yeah, it's going well, isn't it? People are putting on the comments to say that they found
aye.
it.
Oh, and if you did find it, mind put a comment under this video telling me that you've gotten it. And even better, if you send a photo, just if you want, you don't need to. If you send a photo, you're holding up a keyring, I can pop it onto my next video. But it's just if you want.
Yeah.
How much? I've lost count how much flounders I had. I think I had.
Another sign of getting old then, mate.
I hadn't got enough fingers. 1, 2. I think I had 3 flounders and a bonny wee turbot. Now it's maybe just a small turbot, but to me, oh man, it's beautiful, and it just made my day. Anyway, I won't yap too long. Yeah.
So it's tight lines from me.
And take care, abdee, And I'll catch you safe there for me.
See you later. Bye.